Ketonat sports jong ke sorkar Jylla ha ke sngi Balang kala pynkup burom ya ke kynhun ialehkai under 17 jong ke Mynkren Christian High Secondary School Bhoi District kabalapoi shaduh ke final jong ke Subroto Cup under 17 kabadang shula shen ha nongbah Delhi. Ke Skul Mynken Christian ke mihkhmat ke Meghalaya ke lympung kala syarem no lyngba ke tie breaker ha ke skul na Manipur ha ke kun final ke Ithuh Bha ke Balang ha ke khatway terik mentau benai. Ha kini ke Jingialehkai pynkup burom, ladon langru Menteri ke tnad sports Bah Shakliar Warjri, ki ofisar ke tnad bat kamtam ki coach bat ki Samla ialehkai. Nagaliang ke sorkar kala samru ki jing ais ngobha shikinong ialehkai kumju shiki coach bat kinong rap jong ke kynhun.
Gratitude to our chief guest of today's program, Shri Shakliar Warjri, our Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. Thank you, sir, for your presence and also for taking the initiative to organize this felicitation program for the runners-up team of the Under 17 Boys International Subroto Tournament 2024. We also would like to thank for your constant support, encouragement and motivation to our young players and athletes of the state. And thank you, sir, for delivering effective and impacted speech to all of us. And we thank you once again, sir, for your presence. It's a pleasure for me to thank our Assistant Director, Sports Youth Affairs, BB1 Nombri, who's here with us, and also Baki Pasa, who's Assistant Director. Thank you, sir, for your presence, and all the DSOs who are here with us, Bobby, Deptt, and also the coaches who are here, senior coaches and junior coaches as well. We would also like to thank our PTIs who are here, Gaurida, who's hosting this tournament, this program, sorry. Thank you for jointly working together to make this felicitation program a success. It's a privilege for me to thank our principal of Mynkren High Secondary School. Thank you, sir, for your presence and also for your guidance and support you have rendered to your children from time to time. Your vision for your school is truly remarkable, I should say that. And I would like to thank the coaches and the team manager of the team, under 17 boys. Thank you for your care and your responsibility you have extended during the whole tournament. My sincere thanks goes to the parents of the boys who are there during the tournament, and also the teachers of Mynkren and the support staff of Mynkren High Secondary School who are present here today. Thank you so much. And I would also like to thank the supporters and the press team who travel all the way to Delhi.
For information of sir, Subroto has been here for so many years, sir, and it has been conducted in the entire state annually. It's an annual event. It's been conducted at the district level, followed at the state level, and as well as the national earlier, and now the international level. So this has been an annual affair. Mynkren have been there so many times. I heard principal saying that this is the fourth time, am I right? This is the second time you have reached the finals, even though you were not champions, but to us you are, okay? So it is a process. So it's happening annually, every year. I understand that you are already under 17 years. You might not, some of you might not be able to, play again next year, but your future is still bright. Okay. See, actually, what happens is that we understand that to reach a certain goal is very, very tough, especially for a sports person. Okay. Most of us working in this department, we have come across that. We have to struggle to reach our goals. So I just want to advise each and every one of you, even though you lost the finals, this is not the end of the road for you. There's a big future ahead of you. But the only thing which matters is that you have to dedicate yourself to whatever you're doing so that that you achieve that goal in the future. Okay, be it football or be it anything else. Okay, so a big congratulations to the team. I'm very positive that seeing the finals. I was watching the finals right from the start.